As Richard Feynman once said, the first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. This wisdom came from a man who was not only a Nobel laureate physicist, but also a charismatic teacher, a curious explorer, and a lover of life's eccentricities. Richard Feynman's influence on the world of physics and beyond is immeasurable, and his unique approach to science and life continues to inspire. Now, let's delve into the life of this extraordinary man and explore his journey. Richard Feynman was born on May 11, 1918, in Queens, New York. The son of a uniform salesman and a homemaker, Feynman's humble beginnings didn't hint at the extraordinary life he was destined to lead. His father, though not a scientist himself, instilled in young Richard a sense of curiosity and a deep respect for the natural world. This early exposure to the wonders of science sparked an insatiable curiosity in Feynman, leading him to explore the world around him with an eager and analytical mind. While still in high school, Feynman taught himself trigonometry, advanced algebra, infinite series, analytic geometry, and both differential and integral calculus. His remarkable self-taught knowledge earned him a scholarship to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, a prestigious institution where he began his formal education in physics. At MIT, Feynman's voracious appetite for knowledge flourished. His undergraduate thesis, which introduced a new way of calculating forces in molecule, was hailed as equivalent to a PhD thesis. His intellectual prowess didn't go unnoticed, and he was accepted into Princeton University for his doctoral studies. Feynman's time at Princeton was transformative. Under the guidance of his advisor John Wheeler, Feynman developed the path integral formulation of quantum mechanics, a groundbreaking approach that provided new insights into the behavior of subatomic particles. This work would serve as the foundation for his future contributions to the field of quantum electrodynamics. Feynman's early education was not just about academics, though. He was known for his wit, his humor, and his knack for storytelling. He was an active participant in theater groups and orchestras, a testament to his multifaceted personality. He also developed a love for the bongo drums, a hobby that he would pursue throughout his life. These early years shaped Feynman into the scientist he would become, setting the stage for his significant contributions to the field of physics. Feynman's work in quantum mechanics and electrodynamics marked a turning point in the field of physics. His contributions were profound, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe and leaving an indelible mark on the scientific community. One of the most significant of these contributions was his development of the Feynman diagrams. These ingenious illustrations allowed physicists to visualize and calculate particle interactions with unprecedented ease. Instead of wrestling with complex mathematical equations, scientists could now represent these interactions as simple diagrams, a change that was nothing short of revolutionary. The diagrams provided a new way of understanding quantum mechanics, making the abstract concrete and the complex comprehensible. But Feynman didn't stop there. He also made significant strides in the realm of quantum electrodynamics, or QED. This field deals with how light and matter interact, and it's a cornerstone of modern physics. Feynman's work in QED was so groundbreaking that it earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1965. He shared this prestigious award with Julian Schwinger and Shinichiro Tominaga, who had independently developed their own methods for dealing with the same problems. Accepting the Nobel Prize, Feynman remained as down-to-earth as ever. He once said, "I believe that a scientist looking at non-scientific problems is just as dumb as the next guy." This humility, coupled with his immense intellect, made him an endearing figure in the world of science. But Feynman's achievements weren't confined to the theoretical. He also played a significant role in the Manhattan Project, the United States' top-secret effort to develop the atomic bomb during World War II. Feynman's work on the project helped to shape the course of history, demonstrating the power of scientific discovery, for better or worse. Feynman's contributions to physics were far-reaching, influencing not only his peers, but also generations of scientists to come. His work continues to be referenced and built upon today, a testament to its enduring relevance and impact. So, while Feynman may have been just as dumb as the next guy when it came to non-scientific problems, his scientific insights were anything but ordinary. His knack for simplifying the complex, his ability to think outside the box, and his unwavering commitment to scientific integrity set him apart. Feynman's groundbreaking work revolutionized our understanding of the world at its most fundamental level. His legacy, marked by curiosity, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge, continues to inspire scientists and laypeople alike, reminding us of the power and wonder of discovery. Beyond his research, Feynman was also a beloved teacher, known for his engaging and unconventional teaching style. He garnered a reputation for his unique approach to instruction during his tenure at the California Institute of Technology, also known as Caltech. Here, Feynman's classrooms were always buzzing with energy and curiosity. His lectures were not just about presenting facts, but about painting a picture of the universe in a way that everyone could understand. He believed in teaching physics by unraveling the beauty and complexity of the natural world, rather than merely regurgitating textbook knowledge. Feynman had an uncanny ability to distill complex physics into understandable concepts. His approach was akin to a skilled artist, masterfully crafting each lecture into a work of art. He knew that to truly comprehend physics, one had to see its application in the world around them. He encouraged students to question, explore, and most importantly, to never stop learning. His captivating lectures were later compiled into a 3-volume set known as the Feynman Lectures on Physics. This compilation is celebrated worldwide for its clarity, wit, and ability to make sophisticated concepts of physics accessible to a broad audience. But what truly set Feynman apart was not just his ability to teach, but his passion for the subject matter. He taught with a twinkle in his eye and an infectious enthusiasm that made each class feel like an adventure. His students were not mere spectators but active participants in this journey of discovery. Richard Feynman was more than just a professor. He was a mentor, a guide, and an inspiration. His teachings transcended the boundaries of the classroom, encouraging students to embrace the unknown and to view the world with a sense of wonder. His infectious love of learning was not confined to his students but extended to anyone who had the privilege of hearing him speak. His ability to make complex concepts accessible to all made Feynman a cherished educator. His teachings continue to inspire and ignite the curiosity of aspiring physicists and scientists worldwide, ensuring that his legacy as an educator lives on. Richard Feynman was not just a physicist, he was a man of many talents and interests, from art to bongo playing. Indeed, the man who revolutionized our understanding of the quantum world was as multifaceted as the particles he studied. Feynman's interests reached far beyond the realms of physics. He was an accomplished bongo player, his rhythmic beats echoing the natural rhythms of the universe he sought to understand. His love for art was evident in his lecture notes, where diagrams and doodles danced alongside complex equations, adding a touch of color and creativity to the austere world of theoretical physics. Feynman's insatiable curiosity was not confined to the scientific realm. He had an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a deep fascination with the world around him. This curiosity led him to participate in the investigation of the Challenger space shuttle disaster, where his rigorous scientific approach helped reveal the tragic cause of the explosion. Feynman's 2 autobiographies, Surely You're Joking, Mr. Feynman, and What Do You Care What Other People Think?, offer a glimpse into his unique perspective on life and learning. They reveal a man who was not only a brilliant scientist but also a keen observer of human nature, a jester, a philosopher, and a relentless questioner of the status quo. His playful approach to life and commitment to scientific integrity have left an indelible mark on the scientific community and beyond. Feynman's ability to simplify complex concepts and his insistence on understanding over memorization continue to influence teaching methodologies worldwide. As we reflect on Feynman's life and contributions, we are reminded that science is not just about equations and experiments. It's about curiosity, creativity, and a deep desire to understand the world around us. Feynman's legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers, reminding us all of the joy of discovery and the importance of curiosity. His life is a testament to the power of an inquisitive mind and the beauty of a multifaceted personality. Richard Feynman's legacy continues to inspire and influence generations of scientists and thinkers, reminding us all of the joy of discovery and the importance of curiosity. Richard Feynman was not just a physicist, but a storyteller, an artist, a teacher, and an eternal student. He was a man who painted the universe in the colors of quantum mechanics and electrodynamics, a man who saw the world not just as it is, but as it could be understood through the lens of physics. Feynman's contributions have left an indelible mark on the scientific landscape, his Feynman diagrams revolutionizing the way we visualize particle interactions. His charisma and unconventional teaching style brought physics to life, making the complex accessible and exciting. Beyond the lecture hall, Feynman was a bongo player, an artist, a man of curiosity who loved to decipher the mysteries of nature. He was a man who lived his life to the fullest, embracing every opportunity to learn and grow. In the words of Feynman himself, "I was born not knowing, and have had only a little time to change that here and there." His pursuit of knowledge and understanding continues to inspire us all.